program to find the maximum value in a list. So what we will do is we will write a function which will take a list as a parameter and it will return the maximum value in that list. So let's define the function. And it will take a list as a parameter. Okay, so this function will take this list as a parameter, and we are assuming that the first element of this list is the maximum value. Okay, and then we are iterating through each element in this list, and if the current element is greater than the maximum value, we are just updating this variable, max value variable, and at the end of this the loop we are just returning the maximum value. So let's take a list of numbers, for example, for which we want to find the maximum value. Okay, and we will simply call this function find max value and pass this list of numbers. So we are just going to call this function and pass the list of numbers as parameters. Okay, so let's run this program, and as you can see here it's printing 35 as the maximum value in this list.